Hello, artists. Mrs. Keidel back to do a drawing demonstration of our still life setups that we've created. So, in your preparation process, you were planning out how you were going to document this, thinking of those stages. You needed a minimum of 3 items within your still life. And of course, we were planning ahead on how we were going to finish this to have a full range of values within our drawing, even if we're not selecting color to fill that in. So, to get started, I just want to have a peek at our still life here. I've still got my baseball cap, a shamrock, which I've positioned kind of coming out and being overlapped by that baseball cap, and then a sculpture, a clay sculpture that was created in junior high. So, I'm going to go from the same angle of this each time. If I would have taken a photograph, then I'm seeing that same image every time. So I want to keep that consistent. Now, my hope here is that I can show you my paper and you can have a glimpse at the still life at the same time. So let's hope that this kind of works out for us. If not, Mrs. Keidel will give it another go in another video. Our lights are doing something funky today, though. I'm not quite sure what that's about. If you can notice, my paper kind of seems to go from purple to yellow. But anyway, when we get started, I want you to just visually look and find the main shapes that you see. I can already see an oval shape established in the face of my sculpture here. We have a circle and as well as kind of an oval shape with our cap. And then again, these really round shapes, these curved lines that are on the shamrock. So I just so happen to create a still life that has a lot of round edges and will be a little more organic in some of the shapes. Organic just meaning here it's not super symmetrical and it's not necessarily those geometric shapes that we would see in math. Organic are more of those natural shapes that we would see in nature. Okay, so I'm just, like I said, going to start off with those shapes that I see. When I draw to begin, I like to start lightly and I like to take my time and I'm just seeing how things kind of lay out and thinking about those shapes that I see. I know there are areas that are overlapping, so at this point, I'm okay with having lines overlapping too because I can always go back and I can always erase anything that I no longer need, right? So what I'm establishing at this point are the basic shapes of my drawing. I've just got ovals, I've got circular shapes, and I'm building my drawing. So our first demonstration here, our beginning day, should end up with a very light layout sketch of what our final still life will look like.